Hello everyone, this is Ava and welcome to my channel at Glow with Ava, and welcome to another series of Glowmas. So today I am here to share with you one huge life-changing skincare hack. This is a skincare hack that has really changed my life, and if you have dry, sensitive, irritated skin, especially in the wintertime, this is one hack that you really want to try and don't miss out on. So please.
Just like a star across my sky, just like an angel off the page. You have appeared to my
Every time seasons change, my skin reacts in a different way. My skin type changes, and in the wintertime, it is the worst. My skin is really irritated. It's always constantly red, burned, even to the point where sometimes when I wash my face, it burns and it hurts a little. So if you are like me and have dry, irritated, sensitized skin this winter, or when you are putting on makeup and you feel that really flaky skin, that peeling as you're putting on your foundation and all of that, then this video is for you. And I promise you this little hack will make a difference in your life. All right, so these are the things that you are going to need for this tip. Number one, a toner. Number two, a cotton pad. And number three, a moisturizer. Very simple, right? I told you it's very easy. What we are going to do today is basically reversing the order of skincare that you usually apply. So we're going to be breaking some rules today, guys. First step is basically applying moisturizer at the very first step. I know, I told you. So first, start out with a moisturizer and apply a thick layer of the moisturizer like a mask all over your skin. You can even bring it down to your neck and décolleté area if you want to. Basically, what kind of moisturizer you pick is very important because when your skin is sensitized, it is best to use a soothing cream that has no actives, alcohol, or fragrance. The one I am using here today is the Claris Midnight Blue Calming Cream. This gentle cream helps to calm extremely irritated, sensitized skin. The star ingredient here is the guaiacol, a powerful skin calming agent that is extracted from chamomile oil, which is what gives this cream its beautiful blue color. It also has centella. So centella is known for its healing ability as well as its hydrating power. And I love this cream whenever my skin is red and irritated. It's got a really rich and emollient texture that is not greasy or heavy. It actually absorbs into the skin so beautifully. So after you have that thick layer of moisturizer on, that's when we're going in with the cotton pad and toner. So soak the cotton pads with a toner. And for the toner, I recommend using one with no alcohol, one that is pH balancing, and just overall very calming. The toner I personally love using is the Cosrx Propolis Synergy Toner. You've heard me talk about this multiple times, but this is formulated with 72.6% black bee propolis extract, the highest content of propolis extract to really deliver that maximum efficacy of propolis, which is an amazing ingredient for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and soothing properties. So having this kind of layer above your moisturizer really helps both ingredients to seep into the skin much better. All right, so put this on for 20 minutes, and after that, I assure you your skin will feel a lot more smoother and calm down. After you take this off, you can end it there, but I recommend you applying a light layer of that same moisturizer one more time just to kind of build that protective barrier on your skin. So there you go. That is a very easy skincare hack that only requires 20 minutes of your time, and after that, I assure you, your skin will look and feel different. So why do we reverse the order of skincare here from cream to toner? So first, when you apply that cream as a mask and then you kind of apply the toner pack over that moisturizer, then the liquid that is soaked in the toner pack kind of locks in that hydration, so it really amps up the hydration power to its max efficacy. So it allows the moisturizer to even seep into the deeper levels of your skin. And second, because of that, the hydration power is obviously lengthened and it will keep your skin hydrated for even longer throughout the day. So it's a really good trick for both dry and dehydrated skin to kind of lock in that moisture. And third and lastly, the synergy of the toner and the moisturizer, just these two ingredients, will really help bring a lot of calming and soothing properties to your already sensitized and irritated skin. So after this, you will notice that your skin is a lot smoother, your skin texture completely evened out, and also when you are putting on makeup, it just glides on without that kind of pilling and flakiness. It's kind of like when you apply lipstick after having a thick layer of lip balm on, it just glides on. It's kind of like that same effect. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning into this video today. I hope this tip was helpful for you guys, and I really encourage you to go to your bathroom right now and try this tip out and let me know how that worked for you. And if you found that helpful, please subscribe to my channel below, hit that ring notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram at Glow with Ava, where I share a lot of daily skincare tips there as well. All right, I'll be back with another skincare tip in my next video, and until then, I'll see you guys.